Welcome back to OpenSCAD Simplified. Now that you know how to design basic objects, let's first save this and then we want to prepare it for printing. We go here, render, or press F6. This can, depending on your object, take from a few seconds to hours. The more complex they are and the more faces there are on like cylinders and stuff, the longer it takes. Also doesn't help much that I'm recording, so my computer is already quite busy. While this is happening, I'm starting Simplify 3D. This is my the slicer I use, but you might use something different. Like Cura or whatever. Come on. Okay, now we're here. Now it has rendered the object as a real 3D model. Then we go to export it to my OpenSCAD thing. Screw. Okay. Let's import this model into Simplified 3D. It's a bit small for my printer, but I mean it's gonna heat up that whole thing, but only print this. Well, edit process setting. Okay, I have ABS currently in the printer, but you probably be more happy with PLA for this stuff, and certainly a direct extruder will help immensely getting the details. But let's save the G-code file. Upload it to my printer. Upload Scratch. Okay, it's uploading and uploading. I'm still running Octoprint on a Raspberry Pi 2, that's why it's so slow. And load it. We can close this, and say print. I'll show you a picture of the screw in the next episode.